biggest threat to the humankind from last 50 years. If this doesn't stop, we can't imagine what will happen. It is environmental damage. Nature, in all its splendor, is a masterpiece. From the towering mountains to the serene oceans, our environment offers breathtaking beauty and vital resources. It's not just a backdrop, it's our home. Healthy ecosystems are essential for life. Forests purify our air, oceans provide nourishment, and biodiversity ensures resilience against change. Every creature, big and small, plays a role in this intricate web of life. Our connection to nature is profound. It nourishes our spirits, inspires creativity, and promotes well-being. Studies show that time spent outdoors reduces stress and enhances mental health. Nature is not just a resource, it's a source of joy. But this balance is under threat. Human activity has drastically altered our landscapes. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are eroding the very foundations of our environment. Each year, millions of acres of forest disappear, ocean habitats are destroyed, and species face extinction. Our actions, whether intentional or not, have consequences. We are at a crossroads. The pursuit of progress often overlooks the delicate balance we must maintain with nature. The pollution of air and water threatens our health, while climate change brings extreme weather events that endanger communities worldwide. But it's not too late. We have the power to change our trajectory. By protecting natural spaces, reducing waste, and embracing sustainable practices, we can heal our planet. Saving nature is not just an environmental issue, it's a human one. Our well-being is intricately linked to the health of our planet. When we restore ecosystems, we ensure our own survival. Join the movement to protect our environment. Every small action counts. Remember, save nature, save yourself.